Hi, Lester here with PropM Property Management, and I'm here to talk about today why it's important and why you should always put in a maintenance request. Always put one in online. Even if you call us and say, hey, I need this fixed, or hey, I can't reach this light bulb, can you send someone out here to help me? Always put it in a request, even if you talk to us, because the request helps document everything and it helps our systems get it going faster, because then we can send people out there and help you ASAP. And then you have the documentation being like, hey, I put this in a request yesterday. What's going on with it? Or how can I help you? So always put in a request. Now, of course, if it's an emergency like a fire or a leaky pipe or something, most definitely give us a call, but you always want to follow it up with a written request too. It makes our job easier, and then you have the documentation on your side that's protecting you as well, saying, hey, I put in the request. Here at PropM, we have someone working on maintenance 7 days a week. So even if it's Saturday or Sunday or even on a holiday, someone's taking a look at those work orders and trying to find either a vendor or someone to come out there and help you with your issue. Now, it could be something small like changing a light bulb, or this light fixture isn't working, or something like that, but still always want to put it in, even if you do call us, because I think it's super important. I've had crazy stories where I would call and be like, hey, can I have someone help me with this? I'm pretty tall, but I can't fix this myself. And they would be like, yeah, totally, we'll have someone out there tomorrow. And then no one would show up. Not saying that PropM would do that. I'm just saying that I've been to places where they didn't show up, and I'm like, hey, someone said they were gonna be here tomorrow, and they're like, well, we don't have any proof of that. And I'm like, what? I have the phone proof. I talked to someone for 5 minutes yesterday, and they're like, well, we don't have any proof, but you can try to put in another request. And I'm like, oh, I will always put in a request now. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and always have that documentation on your side. If you have any questions, please call PropM. We're open 365, 7 days a week, all the time. So just give us a call. Bye.